Today's video is going to be about 3 plants I grow that look like cannabis. And you know, I get this question all the time, especially in my Costa Rica series, like, I saw that plant there behind you, and they give me the time frame, and I always go and look, and the #1 plant it is in Central America tends to be this cassava, or manioc, or yucca. There's all different types of names for this. This is what they make tapioca pudding from, and I would say that this might have a slight resemblance, you know, with the 5 fingers, but it definitely doesn't have the etched leaves. It kind of semi looks like it, but it's definitely nowhere near cannabis. So for all y'all that watch my videos and you see this plant in the background, just know that this is cassava. This is a root crop. We grow this as starch. This is what's used to actually make tapioca pudding. Real quick, if you guys wanted to start this tree, you literally take a, you know, cutting about this size and just stick it in the ground. I mean, like, this tree is bulletproof, so I can make a video just on cassava for you, but you know, this is one of those plants that everybody says looks like cannabis, and it's far from cannabis. So if you've seen my Paul Zink videos, just know that's not cannabis in the background. All right, so you guys ready for #2? This one over here behind me is Vitex, or chash tree, and this one I've gotten a lot of comments on my own videos. I saw cannabis, I saw that behind you, and I'll tell you right now, we're definitely not growing any cannabis here on the farm. That is just starting to become legal here in the state of Florida. I think cannabis is indoors though, hemp will be outdoors. So this one behind me actually does make a bud, probably more similar to cannabis, but it's a flower bud. And you can see these beautiful purple flowers off of here, and we grow this one as a plant to bring in beneficial and predatory insects. It's also highly medicinal. I believe they use the seeds on this one. I know it's really medicinal for women and balancing your hormones, but this is another one that everybody tends to think is cannabis in my videos. So it's another one that kind of has the same leaf shape, but they're definitely not serrated. And you can see right over here behind me on the other side, we can kind of put the two side by side now that we've done the cassava and the Vitex. So these two obviously looking really, really similar. So awesome tree for the landscape, bringing in beneficial predatory insects, not cannabis. All right guys, so as you can see, this one's probably as closely as it gets. This is actually hibiscus cannabis, cannabisis or something. I got this from a rare plant sale, very similar to the hibiscus radiatus, and you can eat the leaves on this, you can eat the flowers on this, and this probably definitely looks the closest to cannabis that I have growing here. And I'll tell you guys a quick short story. About 8 years ago, when I first started growing hibiscus radiatus at my house in the city, which was in downtown Newport Richey, I had this 8-foot plant, and it was growing up over the fence, and I came out one morning and the top was completely ripped off. Turns out somebody grabbed a piece of that thinking it was actual cannabis, and it wasn't. So this one is definitely the most similar looking. Like I said, edible leaf, edible flowers, but this is just a hibiscus, it's not cannabis. All right guys, so I hope you enjoyed this quick short video. This is about as close as it's going to get to cannabis on my channel for right now. I will tell you that I'm trying to get some video footage at a couple of the cannabis locations here in Florida, a hemp location. I'm hoping to bring you some of those videos. I want to see what's going on with that industry, kind of want to bring some insight to that. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. Hit that bell to stay notified. Most importantly, pound dirt.